Hey, my juicy fruits. Thank y'all for clicking this video. I'm Sweet Juicy. I appreciate y'all stopping by to watch as I get my hairstyle by the hairist. Okay, my juicy fruits, if y'all have any questions, y'all leave them in the comment section and I'll answer. If y'all want to know what hair, what razor comb, what spray, or anything like that, I'll be able to answer those questions as you ask them, okay? And so we'll just start out with, I'm wearing the hair colors that's in my hair is a purple color, which you can buy it that color, and a blue color that you also can buy as blue. Now the aqua green color, I took the 613 hair, like the platinum number 613, and I put some green rinse, I believe it's Emerald by Adore, in the white bottle. And so those are these colors of hair. This is the hair that I usually will wear when I do my own hair, either one of these colors or sometimes two of these colors. But today we're using three colors, so which is a blue and the emerald green rinse that I put over on top of the 613, and the purple hair that comes that kind of purple. So he's razor comb in my hair. You can buy the razor combs at any little store. It comes like that, or you can buy a different kind. So he put the foam on there to help the razor glide easier. That's not something you have to do. That's just something that he did. I guess people like to cut razor cut hair while it's wet sometimes, and so he just wanted to have some type of something on it to help the razor glide. So that razor comb is a tinker comb, I believe, and you just change out the blade, as needed. So I said y'all can ask me what y'all want to know in the comments, but I gave y'all a little summary of what's going on, okay? So thank y'all for watching this video as I styles my hair. This is the celebrity stylist. You understand me? He does my hair again. Don't y'all love the colors? Don't y'all love all them colors? Y'all see how they do? Is it mesmerizing y'all?
Oh, yes, it is.
You understand that? I love you.
I love you too. You know that.
Thank y'all so much for watching. Comment, like, share, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.